Biochemistry is the branch of science that explores the chemical processes within and related to living organisms. Biochemistry focuses on processes happening at a molecular level inside our cells. Cell biology is the study of cell structure and function, and it revolves around the concept that the cell is the fundamental unit of life. From this course, learners will be able to understand about carbohydrates, lipids, and vitamins. Learners will be able to discern the functioning of proteins, nucleic acids, and enzymes and comprehend about cell structure. In addition, learners will be able to explain about cell organelles and cell division while also being able to distinguish between the various instruments and technologies used in studying the cell.